Coming to United Arab Emirates, the drive for quality was announced by His Highness, the Crown Prince of Dubai, way back in mid-90s. So that led to the main driver of quality through ISO 9000. Today, UAE is a very, very small country, and we have got 1,000 plus companies which have been certified to ISO 9000. Is being followed up with health and safety environment, and slowly social accountability standards are picking up. Apart from that, what the rulers' vision there was, they set up a business excellence framework like Dubai Quality Award for the private sector, then Sheikh Khalifa Excellence Award for the federal government, then there's Dubai Government Excellence Program for the government departments, then there's Abu Dhabi Government Excellence Program for Abu Dhabi government. And then UAE is a service economy, so there is another program called Dubai Service Excellence Scheme. To develop human capital, there is Dubai Human Development Award. So the government is the main driver of the quality and movement over the years. 10-15 years back, to get your car registered, it was a long process. You would wait, you need a lot of policies, procedures to be complied with. Today you can do that just being at home, and you can submit an insurance online, make the payment online, and get the car registration process done. If it's a new car, it can be done doing at home, anytime. So this is a huge shift in the service delivery which has happened due to these quality improvements done. Some of the top 3-4 areas which are growing is like Malcolm Baldrige Quality Award of United States, there is a popular framework is based on EFQM, European Foundation for Quality Management. So EFQM related competency, using and implementing the EFQM model or becoming an assessor for EFQM, that's something very hot and very much growing. There are about 1,000 plus EFQM trained, Dubai Quality Award trained assessors in the country. Then other field is on the service quality, service excellence. Third is the Lean and Six Sigma. So these I essentially see the main areas where growth is there. And ISO 9000 and health and safety. Health, safety and environment is also picking up because we have an oil and gas sector. So there's a very important need over there. In addition to that, other programs have been announced by the government which are taking the health, safety, environment standards to be implemented by even the companies outside of the government sector, like hotels, hospitality, logistics, industries, and so on and so forth.